Welcome back. I've got two lovely guests in this morning to talk about a wonderful fundraising opportunity, two organizations teaming up together, Loving Grace and Leadership Joplin, class of 22. Here to join us, we have Jessica Palmer and Regina Hammonds. Thanks for coming in this morning.
Thank you for having us.
Let's get started talking a little bit about the two organizations. Loving Grace, let's start with that.
Yes, so Loving Grace is a transitional home for young women. We've been in Joplin for about 8 years, functioning as a transitional living facility. We serve young women that are aging out of foster care, who are homeless, young women who are abandoned by critical support systems. And just in August, we opened our second home for young women that are pregnant or parenting a small child. The age group we serve is about 17 to 24. We provide case management, housing, nutrition. We provide for them opportunities for getting a job. We work with local agencies to get them all the services that they need, whether they might have a disability and they may need some help with that. And then we also provide for them educational opportunities. So if they need to finish their high school education, which is very common when they come in, they have not finished. And so we'll work with the Joplin High School or whatever school they've come from. We'll also work with NALA. That's another wonderful organization that we work with. Work with several community organizations to help them get the resources they need to get on their own 2 feet again. That's kind of the point, is we want them to graduate our program and be able to live in the community and have community around them, whether it be from a church or a volunteer organization. We want them to have, once they leave our program, to have people surrounding them and cheering them on as they go out and live their life in this awesome community.
All right. All right, and you need to have these partner organizations.
Absolutely.
And let's real quickly talk about Leadership Joplin and what you guys do, and then how you guys are helping Loving Grace.
So Leadership Joplin is a class that you take that you've been accepted into their program. So it's like a 12-week course, and it's young men, or not young, because I'm not young, but it's men and women.
You are.
It's men and women who want to emerge as leaders in our community. So we do all different kinds of things throughout the 12-week course. We learn, public safety. We do communication day. We do all these different days and get to go around in our community and see what, our community leaders do, and they come and talk to us.
Is Leadership Joplin, do they do this class every year? Or
yes.
Is this class currently going on, or did you just graduate?
No, we don't graduate until June, so it's currently going on. And one of our things that we had to do was do a service project. We've got a couple that we're doing. We're doing one at Wildcat Glades. As part of us are doing that, and then the other part of us are helping Loving Grace and doing the welcome bags for them.
Okay. Let's talk about this fundraiser and what you guys need from the community to help with this.
Yeah.
So we decided that we asked them, what their needs were. We came up with a welcome bag, which is really going to be really cool, because I think it comes tenfold, because we visited the prison in Jeff City, and part of one of the workshops that the prisoners do, one of their things that they do is they make bags.
Okay.
So we're getting the bags from the prison to give to these young ladies, and they're going to be filled with, shampoo, full-size shampoos, deodorant, socks, underwear, razors, all the things that you think that you may need to get started, because, like Jessica said, some of these people don't, they come in with nothing. Absolutely nothing. And so we felt like it was, a great project. And so we're asking the community. We've set up several boxes around the community, and, we're just asked them to, donate some items.
Okay. And yes, we have a list of drop-off locations that you can drop off. There's 2 Southwest Missouri Bank locations. There's several at Arvest Bank, Athena Marketing and Advertising. Of course, at Loving Grace, which is located on Euclid Avenue in Joplin.
Yes, 1408 Euclid.
And Joplin Chamber of Commerce is one, Missouri Southern State University, and we'll have all of those up there. And of course, you can always go back online on our website at komnewsnow.com and check out these locations again as well. And we went over some of the items that you guys need, but those are things that we take for granted that we have, and it's.
Absolutely. Many of our girls come in with the clothes on their back, and that's all they have, sometimes no shoes. So as soon as they come in, we like to be able to provide them with whatever they need in order to just rest, The first week that a Loving Grace girl comes in and is a resident with us, we want them to rest. We want them to have the time to learn how to get on a bedtime routine, to learn how to have just a daily routine, but starting with just lots of sleeping, because so many come in with a complex trauma. And so just being in a room with the door closed can be a lot for a young lady. You know, sleeping under the covers instead of on top can be a lot for a young lady who's experienced some complex trauma. So just getting used to being there, if they have everything they need, that's just one less thing to worry about. Now, of course, we're providing food, we're providing a safe place for them to sleep, and then transportation to whatever appointments we need to make for them or that they have made for themselves, so that they have everything they need to be successful in our program.
There you go. And you guys also have a big Schools Out Bash coming up that we wanted to talk about on Saturday, June 4th.
Yes, we're so excited to just provide this for the community. We've been in the Royal Heights neighborhood for 8 years, and some of the residents know who we are and what we do, but oftentimes they drive by and think, I don't know what Loving Grace is. So we're so excited to just go up to Humphrey Park in the same neighborhood, invite the community out to come and just enjoy free food, inflatables, face painting. We'll have epic drives there to show off their cars. We'll have some dessert trucks that'll come, and they'll provide desserts for people if they would like to purchase those. And we just want to provide a fun, relaxed atmosphere for families to just learn about Loving Grace, but also just come together and enjoy being together and doing all the fun activities that we have.
We are a community.
Yes, exactly. We will have some wonderful raffle baskets. We're excited to raffle those off. So if you would like to purchase those tickets in advance, you can go to our Facebook page and you can purchase those in advance. There'll be a date night basket, a summer fun basket, a family fun basket, and then a gift card basket. And those are filling up with some amazing prizes. So please do get your raffle tickets and come that day prepared to buy some. It'll be fun.
So do you need to be present to win those raffles?
You don't have to be present to win. And our largest raffle, I forgot to mention, there will be a laptop computer, a brand new laptop that will be raffled off as well. So please do come and have a great time and be ready to just celebrate a wonderful organization that's helping young women in our community.
All right, that sounds like a lot of fun. Of course, we'll have information on that up on our website as well. And again, that's Saturday, June 4th from 11 to 2 at Humphrey Park in Joplin. One thing I forgot to ask you, how long are you guys collecting these donations for Loving Grace?
It's about mid-June.
Okay.
Mid-June, so you can drop at any of those locations, or if you need to call, or if they can make a monetary donation on Loving Grace website as well,
Oh, yeah.
if they don't want to pick up an item. And then there is an Amazon wish list as well, right?
Absolutely. So
Yeah.
those items can be shipped directly to Loving Grace if they'd like to do that as well. We're happy to accept it that way. And you can find that Amazon link also on our Facebook page.
All right, well, thank you too for
Well, thank
so much
you.
for coming in this morning.
Thank you for having us.
Thank you.
All right. Hope you have a wonderful day.
You too.
Same to you.
We'll be right back.